Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video I will be comparing the Nykaa's newly launched mascara with that of the Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications. So let us start the video now. So this one is the Nykaa's newly launched mascara. So this is the Curl Power Waterproof Curling Mascara. The cost of this mascara is rupees 314 and it contains about 8 ml of product. And this one is the Maybelline's Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. This costs rupees 310 and it contains 9.2 ml of the product. So the price difference is only 4 rupees, that is this one is 4 rupees lesser than this one, and the quantity of this mascara is slight a bit more than this one because it contains 9.2 and this one is 8 ml product. Now talking about the range of these mascaras, first of all let us talk about the Nykaa's. It has 3 varieties. The yellow one, which is the Nykaa's Lash Talk Volumizing Mascara. The cost of that mascara is rupees 359. The pink one, which I'm having it right now, and a green one which is known as the Nykaa's Lash Talk Like It Long Lengthening Mascara, which is also rupees 359. And the Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara has 2 varieties, the waterproof one and the easy wash one, which I'm having right now. The waterproof mascara is rupees 335 or something like that, and this one is rupees 310. Now let us see how both of these mascaras work. On one side I will be putting the Maybelline's one and on one side I will be putting the Nykaa's mascara. So let us start with the Nykaa's one. Talking about the consistency of the Nykaa's mascara, it's a little bit liquidy. It's not that thick. The smell is very mild. It's not that strong. So on this side I will be putting the Nykaa's one. So this is the Nykaa's mascara. So this side I will be putting the Maybelline's one. The consistency of the Maybelline's one is a bit thicker. After applying both of the mascaras, I can definitely say one thing, that both the mascaras are excellent in a good and reasonable price, and Nykaa did a very good job with this mascara, because already in the market there are so many mascaras which are doing great, and in such a good range they have launched such good mascaras. I'm really happy with this mascara. There is a very slight difference between both the mascaras. While putting the Nykaa's mascara, I was able to realize that the curling power of this mascara is very great, and this mascara from Maybelline Volumize Your Lashes. The curling power of this one is slightly a little lesser than this one. The volumizing power of this one is greater than this one. If I come closer to the camera, I hope you will be able to see that the curl of my lashes on this side is slightly greater than this side. Since I have not used other two varieties of this mascara, I will not be able to comment on those two. But in case you are confused between this one and this one, I will definitely say that if you want your lashes to be volumized, then go for this one, and if you want your lashes to be very much curled, then go for this one. Either of them are very much good for your lashes, and they works pretty well. So I am definitely very much happy with the Nykaa mascara, because I was really not expecting so much from this product, because I am already obsessed with Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara. So I think I will definitely restock some of the mascaras of Nykaa again. So if you are willing to try out the newly launched mascaras from Nykaa, I will say you should definitely go for it and try it out once. Especially the pink one, I'm in love with this one right now. So you should definitely try it out. So with this, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed watching the video. So I will end the review here. So bye bye, and I hope to see you all in my next video.